So today we're taking a look at the Meizu Pop Pro. These things are like mini Apple AirPod Pros. They look almost the same, just bite-sized. So you know what we're gonna do today, right guys? We're gonna do an audio test, a mic test, and a latency test. But before you begin, smash that thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. So right now, what I need you to do is go ahead and grab your headphones so you can listen along with me. This is Ted. Ted is a binaural mic, has a mic in each ear. I'm gonna put these earbuds into Ted's ears. That way you'll be able to hear what I hear at the same time. Pause the video right here, go grab your headphones, let's go right now.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever want to be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
So at $79.99, I have to say the audio on these is pretty solid. The bass bangs pretty hard. Now it doesn't rattle my brain, but the highs are so crispy, so clear, it almost makes up for the extra rattling, the extra bass. I thoroughly enjoyed the sound that came out of these. I thought that it was actually truly awesome. The audio quality, the mids, the highs, everything was really great. I was actually thoroughly surprised with its price tag how well these things sounded. And the other thing I wanted to point out too is these things are tiny. They're super light, which I really like. Added to that comfort, the whole experience of having them in my ears. I actually really enjoyed how they sounded. I enjoyed how they felt in my ears. So that initial experience was quite nice. So what I'd like to do next, guys, we're gonna go ahead and do a mic test. So let's get set up for that. All right, guys, so this is the sound of my voice with the Meizu Pop Pro earbuds in my ears. This is what it would sound like if you were speaking to somebody on the phone. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna play some ambient noise. Now, this is a little bit different than what I normally do. This is like background noise to a restaurant. It's set at like 48 decibels, so it's kind of the real sound, the real audio that you may hear while you're in a restaurant. So this is how the Meizu Pop Pros are going to sound with ambient noise running in the background. What I'm also going to do, guys, is play some sounds from rush hour. You may be walking down the street and you're hearing cars driving by. So I also wanted to give you that. So this is also with those type of noise in the background. Again, mic test with the Meizu Pop Pros. So now let's jump into that latency test. It is latency test time, and as always, we are going to perform this test not only on Android but iOS as well. The two phone devices that I will be using today is the Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max and the OnePlus 8 Pro. Without further ado, let's just jump right into the test. All right, guys, so that's the video today. If you liked this video or I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. I'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.